Welcome to a new video on opportunities this week from Bravisa Templetree. Markets have been conquering newer peaks every day with support from oil and gas, FMCG and IT sectors. When sectors do well, the leaders from the sector will be riding the bull. This week, we have few such new leaders taking the pilot seat on the market flight on its upward journey. List is fairly big for this week, a few from the FMCG sector, a handful from oil and gas and some from consumer goods and finance. Let's go to the first stock. From the title of this video, FMCG Rocking, is there an opportunity for me? You would be guessing what is that FMCG stock that we are going to talk about. This stock that is qualified for opportunities this week is a stock that makes your smile get even more good. A stock that took an abrupt drop in July end and went into a long 4-week consolidation. Colgate has given a very good breakout this week with volume support. It has potential to reach past 1825 on its stock price, which is more than 100 rupees from the current stock price closure of Colgate. It might be looking pretty small in the profit numbers, while for big companies it gives us confidence to take little more risk because there is consistency in their performance and chances of reaching the targets are fairly high. Similar condition we had our last week's video in which we had talked about Reliance having a small target, and Reliance beautifully made it to the target in just 5 trading sessions. We believe almost all of our viewers would have made their share of profit from Reliance last week. As the FMCG sector is continuing to get stronger and stronger, the leaders from the sector will be also doing a big upside journey. Though Colgate is not a leader from the FMCG sector, the patterns in the stock shows that it has strength to move past its previous high, that is 1825. So Colgate is a buy at current prices. It's good for a buy at current prices for a target above 1825. The next stock, though not from the FMCG sector, it comes from one more hot sector in the market, metals. This stock went into a negative news flow, had a course correction and recouped swiftly to give a beautiful upside last week. We are talking about Jindal Steel, in which the promoters had planned to take away the company's power facility by paying just 3,400 crores, which got the investors furious, and they made the promoters do a reassessment, which now has helped the company to get 7,400 crores for the same facility that is being sold to the promoters. This event was kind of an overhang on the stock for a good long time. Now that the event is behind us and the stock belongs to a sector that is a hot favorite in the market at present, Jindal Steel has a potential to go above 500 on its stock price. From the current price of the stock, the target of 500 is more than 25%, which is a big potential for growth on our investment. So Jindal Steel is a good buy, or can be good to buy at current prices for a target above 500 levels. Next stock in the list. As the list is big, we are publishing the whole list in our discussion group. You can join the discussion group by clicking on the first link on the description and use the list for your buying opportunities. Please do your own judgment and analysis before making a decision to buy the stocks given in the list. As you keep smiling in the morning, let your investments in Colgate also help you make your smile even bigger. Happy investing.